Current homeowners, are you looking to refinance, to lower your interest rate, remove the principal mortgage insurance, or even take cash out to pay off bills or do home improvements without an appraisal? We have a solution for you. My name is Nathan Ruffey with Mountain West Financial here in California, a mortgage licensed loan originator. There are several programs that you can refinance without an appraisal but no cash out. That's an FHA Streamline, that's a VA Streamline. Those require no appraisal, but you receive no cash out. But here as of late, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, run through the DU desktop underwriting system, is issuing refinance cash out rate and term conventional loans with no appraisal. That's right. I'm going to show you a recent desktop underwriting approval that we have received, that we funded this loan, and we have several in the pipe right now with no appraisal. Now, we don't make this determination with or without an appraisal. DU, desktop underwriting system, or LP through Freddie Mac and DU through Fannie Mae will make that determination based on your lending ability, credit, income, and debt to income ratio. So that is where you're going to get an approval. So let's hop on over and see this recent DU findings that we funded this loan on. All right, here's this DU I was talking about, the desktop underwriting system right here with Fannie Mae. So I ran through the Fannie Mae desktop underwriting system. It got approved eligible, which notates it right here, which means it's a good thing because you want approved eligible. Sometimes they'll say improved ineligible, and you don't want that. So you want approved eligible right here. The date's fairly consistent at the time that I'm doing this recording. So we're in April. This is now in January, and I have another loan that we're doing right now. The same thing. I want to get that one closed before I do the video with this desktop underwriting system. Loan to value, 38%. So what that took was the appraised value that I put. Appraised value, there's no appraisal on it. So I just got to do some data entry. I look at some comparables and do a guesstimate on what the value may come in at. I plugged it in at $750,000. This one's in LA, so the value should be there. And I did a loan amount of $284. That's divided by that, $284 and $750. That's how I get the 38% loan to value, known as LTV in our industry. We have debt ratios here and debt ratio here of 29 and 35%. So this is what we uploaded to the DU desktop underwriting system with Fannie Mae, and this is what the findings came back as. So I want to go over this with you. This changes, the interest rate changes daily. Sometimes 1 to 2 times a day we get interest rate changes. This is a conventional 360 months, which is 30-year fixed rate refinance cash out. So we're doing a cash out refinance on a conventional loan in LA County right now. This one actually is in LA City. So it gives you the address. I blocked everything out so we protect the innocent, if you want to call it. Here's the risk findings. This is all standard information that we look at. And all we do is once we find these findings, it can be, right now this one's 6 pages long. Sometimes it can be 5 to 7 pages long, just depending on what the findings come back as. The credit report is good for the 4 months, so we got to get this thing done before May 10th. No loan to value, I'm just scrolling here. Loan level price of adjustments. We blocked out all the credit, so their pertinent information is protected. The employment must be verified. All we had to do on this gentleman was supply them with the current documentation, what they receive. But that's not what I'm looking at and wanted to let you know about. I want to get to the appraisal section, property right here. We highlighted it for you. Number 15, desktop underwriting. Right here, 15. Desktop underwriting accepts the value submitted as the market value of this subject property. This loan is eligible for delivery to Fannie Mae without an appraisal if the property inspection waiver is exercised by the lender at the time of the loan delivery to Fannie Mae, which we did do exercise. It's called the PIW in our business, but we exercise the property inspection waiver. To exercise this property inspection waiver and to be eligible for the representative warranty relief of the value, conditions, and marketability of such property. So we followed this. and we did the property waiver. I don't understand why we would do the appraisal, but once we upload your loan through Fannie Mae system or Freddie Mac system, it does the findings. It calculates, it reads the algorithms, it reads the credit, the income, the property, where it's located, the zip code, and it comes up with findings. And this is what we're going over. So, but we won't know that until we do the data entry on your particular lending situation when you're doing a refinance with cash and with cash out. As you can see with this findings, this was a cash out refinance with no appraisal. That's why I wanted to bring this to you. Remember, I stated earlier that you can do a no appraisal, no cash out with FHA Streamline or a VA called an IRRRL. So those are available, but those are non-cash out refinances, where you can see here, this is a cash out refi. Going through, there was one more section that I wanted to, right here, PIW, which we're going to exercise. And there was one more area that I wanted to get to you guys. Approved eligible, fixed cash out, refinance, cash out right there. Okay, so you can see that this is a cash out refinance. And I'm going to go back up at the very top, excuse me, and show you that this is a, sorry it's running really fast for you, but this is a cash out refinance approved eligible. So, and I can't manipulate this on the property stuff, so this was approved eligible. So this borrower was able to do a loan without an appraisal. We also have another one in process right now that's cash out, more so than this, and it waived the appraisal inspection. So if you're looking for lenders calling them, we won't know until we upload your information into DU, Desktop Underwriting System, through Fannie Mae. That's right here, DU, Desktop Underwriting System with Fannie Mae. We will not know if it's going to waive it or not without this findings telling us. So it does, like I said earlier, it doesn't hurt to explore your options doing a refinance with cash or with cash out. I'll love to assist you on this. Do call me. As you can see, this is a true, legit file. We have another one in the pipe right now. At the time that I'm doing this recording, I'm hoping to get even more. I am marketing this program because we're starting to see, at least on the refinance, loosening on the guidelines when it comes to income and when it comes to value, as you can see here. Thank you very much for taking the time and watching this video, and do call me. It doesn't hurt. It's a free phone call. We can talk and see what your situation is, and hopefully we can complete a loan like we did with these individuals. Thank you very much, and have a great day. As you can see, that desktop underwriting approval findings has no appraisal. It does not hurt to speak with the loan originator like myself to find out where you stand. I like to present you your options on a refinance with no cash out or with cash with no appraisal. Like I said, I don't make that determination. DU, Desktop Underwriting, will, or LP, Loan Prospector through Freddie Mac, will make that determination. It doesn't cost you anything to find out what you can qualify for. So call me. Let's us run the numbers and present you your options at 909-503-5600. And my name is Nathan Ruffey, mortgage loan originator here in California. I look forward to connecting with you.